First, log into your Amplified Human account, click on the Discovery tab in the menu. This is where you'll find all the AI agents available for career growth. Locate the Upskilling agent. Once you've selected the Upskilling agent, click Start Chat or enter a prompt to begin the conversation. The agent will first ask for your email. This is where your personalized report will be sent, so make sure it's an email you check regularly. Next, upload your current resume. For this demo, I'm using an example resume so you can see how the AI analyzes your skills and experience. Once your email and resume are submitted, the Upskilling agent will process your information and generate a custom upskilling roadmap. You'll receive your detailed report directly in your inbox in just a few minutes. Our platform identifies skill gaps, prioritizes high-impact certifications, and creates cost-effective learning plans for Singapore's competitive market. You get AI-driven precision that respects your time and budget, delivering an 18-month roadmap with credentials and portfolio development. Try it now at amplifiedhuman.io.